Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you love and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. We've got a very pink and girly delivery. We've got a very pink and girly delivery from my bestie Janine, aka JJ's Pink Secrets. She sent me my summer box. So we kind of do this for each other. For every season, we send out like a little box to each other with little gifts and stuff. And she's always super sweet. Like ever since I've known her, we've stayed in communication and I love her to death. She's literally one of my bestest friends and I just love her. We share the same passion for pink things, girly things, and we're always chatting back and forth about cute finds that we find in stores so that we can run to the store and get it. So she did send me this adorable summer package and I'm so excited. I did kind of peek in there, FYI, but I did want to do this video and unbox it in camera. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I have here is something that he is going to love, especially because he just saw the movie a couple weeks ago. It is the Lilo and Stitch earbuds. They're wireless earbuds and check these out. You just open it up and put the earbuds in here, which are on the top here, and you can put them in your ears. Oh my goodness, he's going to love these. I can't wait to give these to him. He is going to be so happy and so thrilled. There's also another thing in here also for him, and it is this super adorable brush. This is a hairbrush, and look how cute this is. It's also Lilo and Stitch. So freaking cute. He's going to love this, especially because he does not have a hairbrush. He shares the one with me, so I'm sure he's going to be very happy to have his own, and it matches his earbuds. Thank you so much, Bestie, for thinking of my little boy. Oh, these are so pretty. These are tinted lip oils, and check out how cute these are. They actually have little bows on the top. They are adorable. I love these shades. Wow, these are so pretty, so summery. I'm obsessed. These are so pretty. They're gonna look so cute in my vanity, and I love the fact that they have that gold bow on the top. Like, how cute are these? Look how pretty they are. Packaging is beautiful. Let me go ahead and swatch one of them. Oh, this is so pretty. It's almost like a balm. It's very glossy. These are so pretty. I love how girly these are. There's also another hairbrush. And this one, oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, I love this. It says Besties Forever. How cute is this? This is adorable. I'm obsessed. What a cute brush. I am obsessed with anything Disney, and I will always be a Disney girl. Like with all the movies and everything, I literally watched every single one of them. So thank you so much, Bestie. There's also this here. It is a Tumbler charm. Oh, this is so cute. I've never seen something like this. This is adorable. Look, it has strawberries and it has a little strawberry charm. How cute. And you can put it in your tumbler. There's also another one. This one's a very girly coquette one with the bow and the pearls. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with these. I always make sure to drink plenty of water, but now that I have these, I am definitely going to add them to my tumblers to make them extra girly. Also in here, there is, ooh, there's a lipstick. Actually, wait, it's a lip glow oil and it's a Dior lip glow oil. I don't have any Dior lip glow oil, so I'm really excited. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Bestie. Look how pretty. Anything Dior is so beautiful. Like the packaging is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. So this one here is cherry oil. Ooh, I just love the doll foot applicator. Check it out. Here's the swatch right here. It's like a very clear with a light hint of pink. How beautiful. It is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I am loving this. It's my first lip oil from Dior and it's gorgeous. So the next thing in here is, oh, this is so cute. No way. It's a strawberry shortcake and it is a keychain. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, this brings me back to my childhood memories. I used to have a little strawberry shortcake doll back in the day and I will always love strawberry shortcake. Look how cute this is. It has like a little strawberry and the strawberry shortcake. Okay, I'm definitely gonna add these to my keys like ASAP. This is so freaking cute. So pretty. I actually sent her a strawberry shortcake shirt a few months ago, and when I saw that, I immediately thought of my bestie, and it's so cute that she sent me a keychain. So in some kind of a way, we're still matching. So the next thing in here is, oh, this is so cute. This is so pretty. It's a pen and it has a bow. So adorable. There's also something in here. And it looks like it's a top. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how pretty this is. It is so soft. It's in that perfect shade of pink. And it has lace detail in the front with a little bow. It's so coquette. I absolutely love this top. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. It's perfect for the summer. Thank you so much, bestie. I am loving this and the shade is perfect. There's also this here, which is very well wrapped. I'm guessing it's something fragile. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. It says Besties. And it has like a little pink bow on it. OMG. This is absolutely stunning. Bestie, I am literally about to cry. This is like the cutest thing ever. And it's glass. I love drinking out of glass bottles. I think the water just tastes better when it's glass. Either glass or my Stanley cups. That's my go-to. So I'm really happy with that beautiful bottle. There's also, ooh, this is different. You guys, I was filming and the entire time I filmed these last two items, the mic was off. So let's try this again. So there was also this here in the box and it is a moisturizing hand cream. It's so cute. I love the packaging. Look how cute this is. It fits perfectly in the purse. And you open it by twisting this and then you can just squeeze the hand cream. But this is so cute and I love the color. Like, look how cute this is. And it smells really, really nice. There is also this adorable blind box. It's the Mariah Elizabeth and it's a mystery hanger plush. Basically, you can get any of these 6 plushies and they're all inspired by ice cream flavors. I did open it because, like I said, I had already filmed it, but the sound just went gone and I had to redo the whole thing. But I ended up getting this adorable plushie. Look how cute it is. It is the cotton candy. It's Oliver cotton candy and it's a keychain. And it's so cute. I love it because it's like baby blue and it has the pink little sprinkles on it. I do have 2 cats, so anything cat related I'm obsessed with, but this is like so cute. Loving this. I love blind boxes. So these were all the items that I got inside my box. I am beyond grateful and so thankful with everything that I got. Thank you so much, bestie. I loved everything.